Subhanallah wa bihamdihi Subhanallahil Azim.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to discuss with you 10 items which are forbidden while you are fasting. Number 1, backbiting. Number 2, lying. Number 3, using bad words while you are fasting. Number 4, fighting. Number 5, shouting. Because Prophet ﷺ said, if somebody is shouting and fighting with you, you do not fight and shout, you just say, I am fasting. Just warn the other person that you are fasting. Touching, hugging, kissing your wife, which will arouse your sexual activities, don't do that. It's not recommended. What else? Do not pour water inside your nose, which will go in your throat, which will spoil your fast. Do not use nose drop, even for the medical reason, because it will reach your throat, it will break your fast. Do not have, if you have IV fluid, it will break your fast. And if you donate blood, remember that a lot of people while fasting, they donate blood. If you're donating the blood, your fast will be broken. These are the 10 items which are forbidden while you are fasting. Please be careful about it.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa